I want to express my gratitude to all of you who supported and championed the FDA Modernization Act 2.0. Together, we have ushered in a new era of drug testing and approval. Your dedication to this cause has been instrumental in bringing about a transformation in the pharmaceutical industry. Our work on this legislation emphasized the importance of precision medicine and how needless animal testing can be in the approval process. We've made faster and safer approval of drugs, as well as improved patient access to innovative therapies paramount. Thanks to your support from groups like pharmaceutical companies and bipartisanship in Congress, this legislation passed and was signed into law by the President. Unfortunately, the FDA is dragging their feet on implementing this law. So what we need to do is put pressure on them to actually follow the law. Because of their unwillingness to act, I sent a letter to FDA Commissioner Robert Califf requesting not only information on steps the FDA is taking to update their unlawful regulations, but also a timeline for implementation. The FDA continues to mandate that investigational new drug applications include the results of animal toxicology studies, precisely what we were trying to make optional in our legislation. Our legislation said you no longer had to use animal studies, but that these would be optional. The FDA isn't following the letter of the law. The FDA Modernization Act 2.0's regulatory changes are already law. They were signed by the President in 2022. And the FDA's sluggish, bureaucratic deregulation process is unacceptable. So while we celebrate this legislation's game-changing shift towards faster approvals, safer and more effective drugs, and the reduction of animal testing, we must continue to push for full implementation and widespread adoption of these new methodologies. So I will continue doing everything I can in the Senate to get answers from the FDA, not just because it's a law, but because we are poised to revolutionize the pharmaceutical landscape. The industry is evolving, and so are we as a society. Animal testing has been proven agonizing for the animals and an obsolete practice. This bill not only means a more innovative drug approval process, but a more humane one as well. Thank you again for your unwavering support for the FDA Modernization Act 2.0. Together, we're paving the way for a safer, more efficient, and innovative future in drug testing and approval.